What are you standing on?
I'm standing on gravel and dirt.
You're taller now.
I am.
How can I can't even get close to you. There.
Stradler, where are you? Get back in your cubicle. I'm not paying you to uncubicle yourself.
Well, we came up to Mittry Lake to see if we could get the dog wet. We kind of failed on a lot of accounts. The water's a little murky. Not sure how that works with the Imperial Dam above us. And we also forgot his ball. So poor Lua does not get to swim today. But we did take a break and walk around and decided to find a spot to launch the drone from, and took some drone footage of Mittry Lake and the cool little, I'm not sure what they're called. I think they're possibly jetties, but they also have palm trees growing out of them, so it's kind of cool. So we've just put that up and took some drone footage, and that's about it. And while we're here, we'd also like to thank our 250 subscribers.
Yay! Thank you.
Last time we were trying to get to 200 and that happened pretty quickly and it kept going to 250. So last check it was actually right at 250 or 251, somewhere around there. So thank you all and welcome to the new people. And we really appreciate you guys watching and following along. So thank you.
Thank you.
Mittry Lake is pretty busy right now, so we're gonna leave because there's traffic. Okay, bye.
Bye.
It's like working with a monkey.